Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Streamlabs alert not working in 2024. Now first off, check the alert box visibility. Just ensure that your alert box is visible as a source in your streaming software. Next, try updating your Streamlabs. So just make sure your Streamlabs software is always up to date. Next, you can also try logging out and back in. So sometimes simply logging out of Streamlabs desktop and streamlabs.com, then logging back in can resolve minor bugs and issues. Next, you can also try resetting alert box settings. So to do this, just head to your Streamlabs dashboard, navigate to the API settings, and then reset your alert box to default. After that, you can customize your alert box once again. Next, you can also try checking for browser extensions. Now, you may want to disable any browser extensions that might interfere with Streamlabs, such as dark mode extensions. And finally, you can also unmute alerts. So just ensure that your alerts are not muted in the recent events list. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.